Myself Ms. Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Mahindra. My subject is utilization of electrical energy, in which practical number 8, learning outcomes. So at the end of this video, you will learn about practical number 8, which is visit a small manufacturing unit to observe various electrical drives and prepare a technical report. So for this practical, you have to visit a small manufacturing unit and observe some electrical drives and write a report. So first is practical significance. So electrical motors impact almost every aspect of modern living. Individual industry visit enable the students to have practical aspect of electrical drives and its application in various engineering field. Second, relevant program outcomes, that is POs. So PO5 is the engineer and society. Assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6, environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental constant. PO7 is ethics. So apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics, responsibilities and norms of the practice also in the field of electrical engineering. PSO1, which is electrical equipment. So maintain various types of rotating and static electrical equipment. Next one is competency and skills. So this practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency, which is maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems. So student will be able to realize the importance and significance of various electric drives. Observe the use of electric drive in industrial application. Relevant course outcomes are use different electric drives and elevators. Practical learning outcome is visit a small manufacturing unit to observe various electrical drives and prepare a technical report. And minimum theoretical background is an electrical drive is defined as a form of machine equipment designed to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy and provides electrical control of the processes. The system employed for motion control is called an electrical drive. So practical setup for this practical is given, which is AC electrical drive block diagram and variable speed drive in wind turbine. And this is the image of hydraulic drive. Next, resources required, which is small manufacturing unit or small scale industry with electric drive. So you have to visit electric drive company for this practical. Next is precautions to be followed. Maintain discipline and order in the industry. Should follow safe practices. And procedure is first visit the manufacturing unit or small scale industry. Second, observe electric drive. Third, prepare a technical report. Note, if visit is not possible to arrange, required information is to be searched from relevant websites and demonstration is to be given by watching videos. So if you can arrange the visit, then you can watch videos and websites. So observations are servo motor drive, whether group drive or individual drive. So it is individual drive. Nature of electric supply is 3-phase AC. Nature of load is continuous. Size and rating of motor is 3.9 kilowatt, 14.5 ampere, 2500 rpm, 12.7 kg weight. And type of enclosure is totally enclosed, non-ventilated. Second, servo motor drive, which is also individual drive. The nature of supply is 3-phase AC. Nature of load is continuous. Size and rating of motor is 2.8 kilowatt, 10.5 ampere, 1500 rpm and 10 kg watt. And type of enclosure is totally enclosed, non-ventilated. So you can also search the information and write down this observation table in your manual. Thank you.